boys and girls, we've been talking about nonfiction text and how we read those for a different purpose than we do for fiction text. And so today I want us to talk about some of those nonfiction text features and how they give us more information to help us understand the text, okay? First one is captions. Captions are the words that are near the picture or the photograph to help the reader better understand. So down here, there's the little bunny, but then it says, baby bunnies eat grass, flowers, and weeds in the field beside the forest. That's a caption, just to work, gives you more information to help you understand the picture better. A glossary is kind of like a miniature dictionary just for your book. So if you see a word in dark print in your book, you can turn to the back of your book and it says acid rain, and it tells you how to say it, acid rain. Acid rain has increased acidity from the environment. It tells you what it is, okay, just for your book. The other one is your index, and it's usually located at the back of your book too. If you were doing some research and you just wanted to know about fires, and this book is about rainforest. So if I just wanted to find out about fires, I would look over here and find it's in ABC order, and I would find fires, and I would be like, oh, it's found on page 4 and on page 20. So it gives you an alphabetical list of what's in the book and what page it's on. Maybe I just want to know about weather. Well, I can flip over there and be, oh, weather is on page 8 and page 11. So that's how I would use an index. And that's usually in the back of my book as well. Diagrams and labels help the reader identify a picture or a photograph. So like here's the picture of the spider, and they're showing me abdomen, and they're drawing a line right to it. Head, and they're showing me right to it. Or this one has one Arctic food chain might look something like this. So it's showing me the producer, and then it goes to the consumer, and then it goes to the predator, and then it goes to a decomposer. So these diagrams and labels give me more information. So when I read a nonfiction book, I have to read everything on that page, not just the text itself. If you see bold words or special print words, those are important, okay? They might be bold, really dark. They might be underlined, or they might be in italics. It looks like this pink one here. They're kind of in a little different print. That means it's important. So right here, if I were reading this book, here's the word adapted. If I wasn't sure what that word meant, it's usually going to be in the back in that glossary we talked about earlier. So I might have some bold print or underlined print or italics. That tells me that word's important and I need to know it. Most of the time, your nonfiction books will start with a table of contents. A table of contents means what's inside. So it's pretty much just telling you what's inside and in what order you're going to find it. Like this one starts out, welcome to the ocean is on page 4. What are the world's oceans? Page 6. What do they look like? Page 9. So it just tells me all my different subheadings and what page I'm going to find on. Subheadings are special headings that help you know what's just that next section. So it's kind of like a title just for the next couple of pages. Like this page, let me go back. This page is called What Do Oceans Look Like? So on this page, on maybe the next page, I'm going to find out what oceans look like. So it's giving me a hint of what's going to be on those next couple of pages. Maps help me know where something's located. So I could look around and find where things are at on the map. And then those are my text features. So today, here's what I want you to do. I want you to have a nonfiction book, and I want you to find one of those things we've talked about. It could be a map, it could be a glossary, an index, whatever it is that you've found. And what I want you to do is to take a picture of a couple of those and tell me on Seesaw what you found. I found a table of contents, and I found in this book, I found a table of contents, and I found headings, and show them to me, okay? All right, I can't wait to see what text features you found.